Hi there, I've jumped on the bandwagon with all these videos with mini toolboxes, so I've picked this up from Amazon in the UK. They're about £20. No idea what I'm going to put in it. Might store some RC tools, or might just store some general stuff I've got around my desk, like pens and sharpeners, etc. So we'll open it up now and have a look. So there's the toolbox, top drawer, bottom drawer, and the lid opens up. So lengthwise we're looking at 27.5 centimeters or 275 mil. Depth is 15 and the height is 15 as well. So we're going to store a penknife and keys, etc. Didn't need it, but I wanted it. Don't know what I want it for, but I got it. Thanks for watching.